Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to have a quick look at one of our floor formers. Nichols & Clark manufacture 3 different floor formers. Today we're looking specifically at the NNC Premier Shower Deck. The NNC Premier Shower Deck, as you can see behind me, I've got a few decks here. Comes in 2 different options. Comes in a linear drain option, as you can see on my left-hand side over here, and it comes in a round drain option, as you can see on my right-hand side here. We have 12 sizes in this version, and we have 5 sizes in this version. What makes this deck so unique? Well, first of all, it is the strongest deck in the UK. It is a self-supporting deck and will support up to 470 kilos in weight. That's phenomenal. Self-supporting, stick it on the joist, fit it there, and it take the weight. It's a great deck. You can tile directly onto it. You don't need to put another tanking layer on the top of it. As you'll see, the deck is 22 mil thick, so it fits on any normal build, whether it's a refurb or a new build, and using 18 mil flooring grade chipboard or a 22 mil Egger board. Simply remove the boards where you want to put the deck, stick this on the joist, put a boxing around so that you've got it on a perimeter boxing, and mechanically fix it into a substrate. No need to build a false floor underneath of it. It's a self-supporting deck. As you will see in the middle here, we've got a grate option. The grate option that I've got here, you'll notice, is not equidistant from any 2 sides. The benefit of that is if you put the deck down in situ and the waist comes over the top of a joist, you simply rotate the deck once or twice and it'll miss the joist. It's made specifically with tiling in mind, so as I said, it's self-supporting. You don't need to prime it, you can simply tile directly onto the deck. The 22 mil in thickness allows you to also have a fall of 1.5%, which allows all the water in your bathroom to flow directly into your waste. And that's exactly what you want. You don't want water sitting and pooling anywhere else in your shower. The grate itself, on the waste section here, you'll notice it doesn't have a U-bend on it. It's got a nice pressure sensitive nude inside that allows, when the water sits in it, the spring loads allows the water to pass through it. It removes 39 liters of water per minute. That's enough for 2 power showers. I'm going to say it again, 39 liters of water per minute. It's a fantastic product. The actual grate installation here is our in-tile grate, as you can see here, and this allows you to simply move it up and down depending on the thickness of your tiles. And then the grate options themselves, we've got various different options, from stainless steel to chrome to gold, you name it. There's lots of options available to finish your wet room in. We even have in-tile grates where you put a tile in the middle of the grate and it just looks like this void where the water dissipates through. Really, really great aesthetic value this product has. If you're looking to do a wet room, we do the whole solution. We don't just do the Premier shower decks, we do all the tanking solutions that go around it, the timber floor reinforcing for the rest of the bathroom, the wall tanking, the weights, the grates, the glass screens, the whole total wet room solution. If you're thinking about doing a wet room, I'd strongly suggest pop along to our website. You'll see the link somewhere around me, or get down to your local depot and one of our technical experts behind the counter will talk you through and walk you through your specific installation, and we'll get your wet room fitted like that, trouble-free, with no hassle and peace of mind. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.